possible. Don't roam in the class. Few students are roaming in the Napier section. Napier. Shabash, Napier students, please settle down quickly. Otherwise, all the classes students have been settled. So, written. Today we will discuss the assignment. I think that has been distributed among the classes. And before that, there is a discussion which will be useful for solving the present assignment. Discussion on the topics. Please pay your attention. Let's sum up those topics very quickly. Shabash. Number one, if there is a plane mirror, I will go very fast and you will listen attentively. Only then you will be able to solve the assignment. शाबाश सर, नेपियर के स्टूडेंट्स को प्लीज बिठाएं. Pythagoras students, please settle down. Okay, so if this is the plane mirror, let me tell you what we discussed last time. Number one, if there is an object, whatever is the size of the object, the same will be the size of the image in the plane mirror. Same will be means size of the image will be equal. It means equally sized. Second point we discussed, whatever will be the distance of the object from the mirror, the same will be the distance of the image. So, D dash equal to D. D dash represents what? D dash tells how much image we away from the mirror. What is D? D tells how much from the mirror. Is that clear? H represents the object. H represents the size of the image. One important thing, if in the object raises the right hand, in the image he will be raising the left hand. Okay, this will be left hand. So right hand becomes left, left becomes right. This interchange is known as per our previous discussion, we call it lateral inversion. Sidewise change हो जाना. Lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means left becomes right, right becomes left. शाबाश. RM के students serious नहीं है पढ़ने में. Second point we studied about the bete your attention. This is your which mirror? This is your concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay, and this point is pole, central point. And if we draw the straight line from here, it is called principal axis. Principal axis. Agreed? शाबाश बच्चे. और इसमें हमने क्या स्टडी करा? इसमें हमने स्टडी करा कि अगर यहाँ पर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट हो, ऑब्जेक्ट, तो उसका मिरर में फोटो बनेगा और उसका इमेज नीचे लटका हुआ होता है. इमेज यूजुअली. गॉट इट? इस मिरर का क्या नाम होता है? कॉनकेव मिरर. और एक ऐसा मिरर पढ़ा था हमने, ऐसे वाला बच्चे, उसके इधर से सिल्वर पॉलिश करते हैं. जिस तरफ सिल्वर पॉलिश करते हैं उसकी अपोजिट साइड शाइनिंग साइड होती है बेटे, शाइनिंग. इस वाले मिरर का नाम क्या रखा था हमने? कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। ओके, इसका भी सेंट्रल पॉइंट को पी को क्या बोलते हैं, पोल। वहां से स्ट्रेट लाइन खींच दें, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। एक बार और सुनो, हमने दो लेंसेज पढ़े, दो लेंसेज बनाते हैं। एक टीचर ने बोला था अगर लेंस फ्रंट से देखें, फ्रंट से देखें तो सर्कल होता है, कौन, लेंस। इस लेंस की दो टाइप्स होती हैं बेटे। हाँ जी बेटे, मेरे से बोल रहे हो या पार्डन, स्लोप, स्लोप तो मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है, स्लोप तो मैंने कहीं नहीं लिखा है जी। बेटे आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही। ओके, अगर कोई हमारा जो लेंस होता है कांच का बना होता है, अगर वो सेंटर से मोटा हो तब वो साइड व्यू उसका ऐसे दिखेगा, साइड व्यू। साइड व्यू का मतलब यहाँ पर खड़ा होकर देखेगा अगर कोई लड़का। बोलने से पहले माइक पर आओ रिचर्डसन, बोलने से पहले माइक पर आओ, फिर माइक को ऑन करने के बाद 2 सेकंड रुको, फिर अपनी बात बताओ।
Excuse me, sir.
यस,
Sir, voice is coming slow. Please
पार्डन।
increase volume. Please increase volume from your side.
अच्छा अच्छा मैम, मेरी तरफ से तो वॉल्यूम फुल है, बिल्कुल वॉल्यूम इज फुल फ्रॉम माय साइड।
Actually, it is not listening to student meeting. That is not audible.
अच्छा बेटे, रिचर्डसन सेक्शन को छोड़कर बाकी सेक्शन में एम आई क्लियरली ऑडिबल? लेट मी आस्क दी नेपियर स्टूडेंट्स। नेपियर स्टूडेंट प्लीज रेज योर हैंड इफ आई एम क्लियरली ऑडिबल। हाँ मैडम, बाकी सेक्शंस में मैं क्लियरली ऑडिबल हूँ।
Okay, sir. Okay, let me check.
ओके, सो बेटे लेंस को इस तरह से साइड से देखते हैं। अगर सेंटर से लेंस मोटा हो साइड व्यू से और साइडों से पतला हो, इसको हम बोलते हैं कॉन्वेक्स लेंस। और अगर साइडों से, किनारों से मोटा हो और सेंटर से पतला हो, तब साइड व्यू ऐसे मिलेगा बच्चे। तो इसको हम बोलते हैं कॉनकेव लेंस। और इनकी खूबी क्या होती है बेटे, अगर हम कॉनकेव लेंस के ऊपर लाइट थ्रो करते हैं, पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट, तो ये उसको फैला देता है, बाहर को फेंकता है। इसको बोलते हैं डाइवर्जिंग ऑफ लाइट। और अगर हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के ऊपर लाइट फेंकते हैं पैरेलल, तो ये इसको एक पॉइंट पर इकट्ठा कर देता है। तो जब एक पॉइंट पर फोकस कर देता है, इसको बोलते हैं कन्वर्जिंग ऑफ लाइट, कन्वर्जिंग। और जिस पॉइंट पे फोकस कर देता है, इकट्ठा कर देता है, उस पॉइंट को एफ से लिखते हैं, फोकस पॉइंट, फोकस। और कोई बच्चा मेरे से पूछते हैं सर क्या कॉनकेव लेंस में फोकस नहीं होएगा? फिर कॉनकेव लेंस उसमें भी होएगा। ये जो लाइट जा रही है आपको, जिसको डाइवर्ज करा, इसको बैकवर्ड एक्सटेंड कर दो डॉटेड लाइन से। जहां पर ये बैकवर्ड लाइनें आपस में मिलती दिखाई देंगी, उस लाइन को हम, जिसको टीचर ने ग्रीन कलर से दिखाया, इसको फोकस ऑफ कॉनकेव लेंस बोल। देखो सारी चीजों का जो हमारा असाइनमेंट है, उसके ऊपर टीचर ने पॉइंट्स की समरी करी। अब हम ये असाइनमेंट करेंगे बेटे, शाबाश। एक बार ओवरव्यू कर दो सारा, सारा क्विकली ओवरव्यू एंड पुल आउट द असाइनमेंट। शाबाश, पुल आउट द असाइनमेंट। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट assignment बेटे। please pull out the assignment on your writing table. Let me ask the student हार्डी। हार्डी में इंद्रजीत करके एक बच्चा है, इंद्रजीत इन हार्डी। हु इज इंद्रजीत इन हार्डे? प्लीज कम ऑन द माइक। इंद्रजीत। इसी सेक्शन में एक और बच्चा है रोबिनप्रीत सिंह। रोबिनप्रीत, दोनों में से कोई भी बच्चा माइक पर आए फटाफट। शाबाश बेटे। रोबिनप्रीत बेटे, आपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है। शाबाश, रीड दी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द असाइनमेंट। रीड दी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द असाइनमेंट। नहीं पढ़ रहा बच्चा, ही नहीं पढ़ रहा। बेटे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको सिर्फ रीड करना है, इसमें इतनी देर क्यों लग रही है?
Tensor of object from length, focal length 10 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 100
बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ। इस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में बेटे जहां पर लेंस लिखा हुआ है, डिस्टेंस ऑफ द लेंस फ्रॉम, डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द लेंस लिखा है ना बच्चे, लेंस। फ्रॉम द लेंस को कटिंग कर दो, फ्रॉम द मिरर करो, फ्रॉम द मिरर। शाबाश, पेन से काट दो। अब वो यहां पर आपसे पूछ रहा है फ्रॉम द प्लेन मिरर करना चाहिए, प्लेन मिरर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटे, वो बोल रहा है हमसे कि इस मिरर से 10 मीटर की दूरी पर ऑब्जेक्ट है, 10 मीटर की दूरी पर। ओके, मान लो डी की वैल्यू कितनी दी है क्वेश्चन में, 10 मीटर। और ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में व्हाट वी टेक, ये वाला ले लेते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट। गॉट इट? प्लेन मिरर में आप सभी को पता है कि जितनी दूर ऑब्जेक्ट बनता है उतनी दूर ही इमेज बनता है। डी डैश विल बी इक्वल टू डी। आप सभी को अच्छे से पता है कि इमेज उससे बराबर की दूरी पर बनता है। और ये भी पता है कि जितना ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज होता है उतना ही इमेज का साइज होता है। एच डैश इज इक्वल टू एच। एच डैश क्या बताता है, इमेज का साइज। अगर हम इसको प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में देखें बेटे, ध्यान से सुनो। मैं अपने घर में सुबह ड्रेसअप होकर सामने फुल वॉल इमेज के सामने खड़ता हूं, तो जितनी मेरी हाइट एक्चुअल में है उतनी मेरी हाइट मिरर के अंदर जो मेरा इमेज दिखेगा उसकी होती है, बराबर होएगी। जितना मैं मिरर से आगे इधर को खड़ा होऊंगा उतना ही मिरर के अंदर मेरा इमेज दिखाई देगा। ओके, दूसरी बात ये हो गया, यानी कि डी डैश भी 10 मीटर होगा। दूसरी बात बेटे, अब किसी बच्चे को बोलूं मेरा इमेज वो मिरर में दिख रहा है, जाओ बैक साइड पर जाओ मिरर के और उस इमेज को हाथ लगा के दिखाओ। वो बच्चा भागता भागता जाता है और वापिस आता है, वो बोलता है सर मिरर की बैक साइड पे तो कुछ नहीं है। मैं उसको सामने से दिखाता हूँ, देखो आईने में मेरी फोटो दिख रही है कि नहीं। वो कहता है सर दिख रही है, आपका इमेज दिख रहा है। फिर मैं उसको बोलता हूँ जाओ हाथ लगाओ। बच्चा जाता है भागता भागता, वहां कुछ होता ही नहीं, हाथ ही नहीं लगा पाता। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि प्लेन मिरर में इमेज दिखता तो जरूर है, हम उसको हाथ से टच नहीं कर सकते। ऐसे इमेज को वर्चुअल इमेज बोलते हैं। तो लिख लो सभी बच्चे, शाबाश। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर, इमेज एंड ऑब्जेक्ट both will be, image and object both will be of same size. Second point, image and object both will be equidistant। सभी बच्चे लिखो जल्दी से जल्दी, इक्विडिस्टेंट। ब्रैकेट में लिखो d इज इक्वल टू डी डैश इक्वल टू 10 मीटर। फ्रॉम दी मिरर, फ्रॉम दी मिरर। और तीसरी बात, क्योंकि हम इमेज को हाथ नहीं लगा सकते, सिर्फ देख ही सकते हैं, इसलिए आप तीसरी बात लिखो, इमेज इन दी प्लेन मिरर इज ऑलवेज वर्चुअल। प्लेन मिरर में जो इमेज होता है वो रियल नहीं होता, वर्चुअल होता है, वर्चुअल। कभी भी वो इमेज रियल नहीं होगा, रियल कभी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अगर वो रियल होता तब हम उसको हाथ भी लगा सकते थे। गॉट इट? ये पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो गया बेटे। जितने बच्चों को ये आंसर समझ आ गया, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड इट? शाबाश, रेज योर हैंड इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे, वेरी गुड। लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर। लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर। अब हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन में चलेंगे। सेकंड क्वेश्चन में तो देखो बच्चे, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सभी बच्चे इसको हम बंद करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड। सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो बच्चा मेरे को पढ़ के सुनाएगा वो है सिमरत कौर फ्रॉम थेल्स। थेल्स में बच्चा माइक पर आया, थेल्स में सिमरत कौर। शाबाश, प्लीज कॉल द चाइल्ड सिमरत कौर ऑन माइक। सिमरत कौर बच्चा, आप मेरे को सेकंड क्वेश्चन पढ़ के दिखाओगे।
आगे हो बहुत अच्छा। Distance of object from lens, focal length 10 centimeter.
शाबाश, बैठो, बैठो ध्यान से। अब हम इसको सीखेंगे बेटे। ये है हमारा कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, इस कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में ऐसे करके मिरर बनाया जाता है और इधर से पॉलिश किया जाता है। एक एक बच्चे ने मेरे से पूछा, सर हम इस मिरर को बनाते कैसे हैं? तो ध्यान से सुनो, इसको बनाते कैसे हैं। हमारे पास एक कांच का गोला होता है, यानी कि सफियर ऑफ द ग्लास। अंदर से ये ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है, खाली होता है, होलो होता है, होलो होलो होता है और ट्रांसपेरेंट है। हम इसमें से इतना कांच काट के ले आते हैं, जैसे इतना कांच काट करके ले आए और यहाँ पर फिर स्प्रे गन से सिल्वर पॉलिश कर देते हैं। सिल्वर पॉलिश, सिल्वर का सिंबल होता है AG। सिल्वर की पॉलिश कर देते हैं। तो जिस तरफ से सिल्वर की पॉलिश करते हैं उससे दूसरी साइड से शाइनिंग सरफेस आ जाता है, फोटो दिखने लगती है। ऐसे हम इसको बनाते हैं बेटा। तो ये हमारा कॉनकेव लेंस है, कहता है कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, सॉरी, कह रहा है कि यहां से आपका इमेज वगैरह के बारे में बात बताओ। ध्यान, सबसे पहले इसने फोकल लेंथ की वैल्यू दे रखी है 10 सेंटीमीटर। इसको बोलते हैं फोकल लेंथ। सभी बच्चे लिखने चाहिए, फोकल लेंथ। सबसे पहले मैं अपने बच्चों को समझाऊंगा ये फोकल लेंथ क्या होती है। ध्यान से सुनना। मान लो इसी मिरर को मैंने यहां पर बना दिया और इस मिरर के ऊपर मैंने बेटे लाइट थ्रो करा। जैसे ही मैं इसके ऊपर लाइट थ्रो करता हूं, पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट टॉर्च से, तो ये इस लाइट को ऐसे बाहर को फेंक देता है। इंग्लिश में हम बोलेंगे ये लाइट को डाइवर्ज कर देता है, डाइवर्ज। डाइवर्जेस दी लाइट। फिर उसके बाद क्या, फिर हम क्या करेंगे, उसने जो ये लाइट डाइवर्ज करी है उसको बैकवर्ड एक्सटेंड करके देखते हैं ये कौन से पॉइंट पर मिलती है। यहां पर मिली, जिस पॉइंट पर मिली उसको बोलते हैं फोकस पॉइंट। फोकस, FOCUS, फोकस पॉइंट। गॉट इट। दूसरी बात, अभी सभी बच्चों को ये भी पता है कि टीचर ने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था कि जो मिरर का मिड पॉइंट होता है उसको पोल बोलते हैं। पोल, P स्टैंड्स फॉर पोल। अब मैं बताना चाहूंगा, पोल से लेकर फोकस तक की दूरी, ये वाली दूरी PF को ही स्मॉल f से लिखते हैं, मतलब के फोकल लेंथ, मतलब के फोकल लेंथ, फोकल लेंथ बोलते हैं इसको। ये देखो, इस फोकल लेंथ आपको 10 सेंटीमीटर दे रखी, ये बन गया हमारा पोल। अब यहां पर टीचर एक लाइन खींच रहे हैं जिसको बोलते हैं स्ट्रेट लाइन, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। अब ध्यान से देखो ये क्या कह रहा है, कहता है डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट 50 सेंटीमीटर है, 50 सेंटीमीटर। ध्यान से सुनना अब क्या होता है, यानी कि कहने का मतलब वो ये हमसे कह रहा है कि मैंने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट लिया, ये ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया, इसको हम ऑब्जेक्ट लिख देते हैं। ऑब्जेक्ट, ये ऑब्जेक्ट इस मिरर से 50 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर है। और सभी बच्चों को पता होना चाहिए जो ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस है उसको पूरी वर्ल्ड में, पूरी दुनिया में यू सिंबल से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। यू सिंबल्स, एक कन्वेंशन बना रखी, ऑब्जेक्ट के डिस्टेंस को यू से रिप्रेजेंट करना है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, ये कन्वेंशन साइंस के सब्जेक्ट। अब हमें बोलता है कि इसका इमेज कहाँ बनेगा, कैसा बनेगा, छोटा बनेगा, बड़ा बनेगा, उल्टा बनेगा, क्या सीधा बनेगा। तो इसके लिए देखो ध्यान से क्या करना है, हमने यहां से ये लाइट थ्रो करा, ये लाइट गया, ये गया, ये गया, ये गया, ये गया, यहां टकराया। ये लाइट यहां से ऐसे जाते जाते ये टकराया यहां तक। अब आपको पता है मिरर से कोई भी चीज लाइट टकराती है तो वापस आ जाएगी, तो ये लाइट इधर को चले गई, डाइवर्ज होगी, जैसे यही समझाया था मैंने, ऐसे जाके ऐसे डाइवर्ज होगी। और दूसरी बात, और क्या करना है हमने, एक ये एफ पॉइंट है ना, जो मान लो ये वाला एफ पॉइंट है, यहां पर है ये, मान लो यहां पर है एफ पॉइंट, ठीक है। अब जो लाइट एफ की तरफ फेंकी जाती है, एफ की तरफ, वो टकराने के बाद बिल्कुल सीधी रेखा में वापस आती है। ये हमेशा याद रखना है। जैसे कि मैं ग्रीन कलर की लाइट दिखा रहा हूं, मैंने एफ की तरफ लाइट फेंकी, देखो आगे जाती तो एफ से टकराती, लेकिन एक बच्चा बोलेगा सर मिरर के अंदर तो लाइट जा ही नहीं सकती। बिल्कुल सही, तो यहां से टकराकर ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल वापस आ जाती है। एक बच्चा बोलता है सर पैरेलल का क्या मतलब होता है, पैरेलल का मतलब होता है ये दूरी जो होती है ग्रीन और ब्राउन लाइन में बराबर रहेगी, कभी भी ज्यादा कम नहीं होगी। ऐसे लाइट टकरा के वापस आ गया, तो सर इमेज कहां पर बनेगा, इस ऑब्जेक्ट का इमेज कहां बनेगा। मैंने कहा बेटी जहां ग्रीन और येलो लाइट आपस में कटिंग करेंगी। सर ग्रीन लाइट और येलो लाइट तो आपस में कटिंग करती ही नहीं कहीं पर भी। फिर मैं उसको बोलूंगा बेटे इनको बैकवर्ड एक्सटेंड करना पड़ता है, इसको बैकवर्ड एक्सटेंड करेंगे ग्रीन वाली को ऐसे, और येलो वाली को भी बैकवर्ड एक्सटेंड करेंगे ऐसे। जहां पर ये दोनों कट कर जाएंगी वहां पर हम अपना इमेज बनाएंगे। ये बन गया इमेज। तो आपने क्या देखा, ऑब्जेक्ट इतना बड़ा था और इमेज छोटा बनेगा। इसका मतलब जब हमारा कॉन्वेक्स मिरर हो, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, उस केस में याद रखना है कि ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा होता है, इमेज छोटा होता है। कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में ऑब्जेक्ट साइज इज ग्रेटर देन इमेज साइज। दूसरी बात सुनो, दूसरी बात, जिस पोस्चर में ऑब्जेक्ट खड़ा है उसी पोस्चर में इमेज खड़ा है। बच्चा बोलते सर और पोस्चर का क्या मतलब? तो पोस्चर का मतलब है, गौर से देखो, इस ऑब्जेक्ट का जो हेड है, ये हेड ऊपर की तरफ है और इसका हेड भी ऊपर की तरफ है। जब दोनों का एक ही पोस्चर हो, दोनों का हेड ऊपर की तरफ है, तो हम साइंस की लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं इमेज सीधा बना, और इंग्लिश में क्या बनेंगे? इरेक्ट इमेज। तो जो हमारा इमेज बनेगा वो बनेगा इरेक्ट, इरेक्ट। आगे समझ बेटे? तो सभी बच्चों ने याद रखना है कि ऑब्जेक्ट के मुकाबले इमेज इरेक्ट बनता है, इरेक्ट, और इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट के मुकाबले छोटा बनेगा। लेकिन कब? जब हमारा आर्टिकल कॉन्वेक्स मिरर से लिंक्ड। गॉट इट? कितने बच्चों को ये समझ आ गया? रेज योर हैंड, रेज योर हैंड, शाबाश। हाँ, डाउन डाउन। एक बार फिर से बता दूं, ध्यान से सुनना, एक बार फिर से समझ लो जिनको थोड़ा सा भी डाउट है। जो येलो लाइन जा रही है टकराने से पहले, वो ब्राउन कलर के पैरेलल जाएगी ऑब्जेक्ट से। ये गई लाइट, गई 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 गई, रे ऑफ लाइट यहां टकराई, और जब वो वापिस आएगी ऐसे, तो ऐसे लगेगा जैसे फोकस में से गुजरती, या ये फोकस यहां बनाना चाहिए था, दिस इज, ये वापिस आते हुए ऐसे लगेगी फोकस में से आ रही है। और जो जाती ही फोकस की तरफ है, देखो ये ग्रीन लाइट फोकस के ऊपर टकराने की कोशिश कर रही, पर जाएगी नहीं मिरर के अंदर। जो फोकस की तरफ जाएगी वो पैरेलल होकर वापस आएगी, और जो पहले ही पैरेलल जाएगी वो टकराने के बाद फोकस में से बाहर आती हुई दिखाई देगी। बस दो ही बातें याद रखनी। फिर से सुन लो, जो येलो लाइन जा रही है ब्राउन कलर के पैरेलल, वो मिरर से टकराने के बाद फोकस से बाहर आती हुई दिखेगी। दूसरी बात, जो जा ही टकराने से पहले ही फोकस की तरफ जा रही है ऐसे, वो टकराने के बाद वापस आएगी तो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल हो जाएगी, यानी दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट है। गॉट इट बेटे? तो बाकी की बात हम नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे, ठीक है? ये सारे क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करके आना, अगली बार करेंगे।
Good afternoon, everyone. Be ready with your English. Okay, you can take out the worksheet. You can put everything inside bag. Okay, take out your English, and in another 1 or 2 minutes, let's be prepared. Are you all ready with this worksheet? Synonyms. Okay. Everybody be worksheet with synonyms. Very good. Very good. Go through the worksheet. If I'm doing this, I was for today's today. I said, okay, just okay, everyone. So if you're ready with this, we can start the class. Okay. So everybody just read the first few lines. What are synonyms? And please pay attention to the pronunciation also. Synonyms. Nobody will say synonyms because that is a very common mistake people make. It is synonyms, okay? Antonyms and synonyms. So here today we are only going to do synonyms, okay? So they are words with identical or near identical meanings. Yes, no two words can have the exact same meaning, but they have very similar meaning. Okay, they can be used interchangeably. We can use these words interchangeably, not all, but many of them. Okay, so here we come today. Okay. Now, you will see there are examples given. For strong, it is powerful. They are synonyms. Look in your sheet, everyone. For happy, it is joyful. For quick, it is fast. For smart, it is intelligent. For beautiful, it is attractive. And for ran, it is printed. Okay. So when you don't have to use the same word ran all the time. Okay. Somebody ran. So he sprinted from the scene. He just sprinted. Okay. Many other words can be used for run. Okay. That how this person ran away. And we all these things. So here at the back, you will see there are some sentences given. If you will, here in the sentences, there are words which are underlined. And those underlined words are given here. Okay, they are given on the first sheet. So here we are going to write at least 2 synonyms for each. We might write more and you will write here on the sheet. Then you will use those synonyms to replace here and then make a new sentence. Okay, in the given place, given blank. This is what we are going to do. It's going to be a very fun activity. Now, first and foremost, which is the word here? The first word is beautiful. Okay. Who will tell me another word for beautiful? One is already given. Who will tell me another word for beautiful? Anyone? Okay. I can see in Pascal house, I can see a boy in the middle row raising his hand. Anyone who will come up with a word for beautiful? Yes. Thales, I can see a hand raised in the middle. Yes, come forward. Come. Come and tell me what is another word for beautiful. And please pay attention because you have to make these words a part of you don't have to use beautiful all the time. You can use other words also. Yes.
Attractive.
Attractive. Yeah, it's already given there. Very good, but that's a smart move. Very nice. Okay, I was seeing a girl in Pythagoras' house. She had raised her hand. On my left, last bench, I think so. Second last bench. Any other word for beautiful? Okay, very simple words which we use every day. Which word can you use? Okay, Pythagoras on my left, last bench. Come forward. On my left, Pythagoras. Yes. Okay, even on my Richardson, on my right, you have raised your hand. Come forward. Come forward. Yes, third bench. Richardson.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. See, it is gorgeous. Okay. When it is EOUS, we don't say ES. We say us. Okay. The pronunciation is us. We don't say prosperous. We say prosperous. Prosperous. Okay. So it is gorgeous. We don't say gorgeous. Okay. So gorgeous. ये जितना आपका OUS है ना, it's us. This is pronounced as us because when two vowels are together, we only take the sound of the first one. So gorgeous. Okay, it is like that. Now, yes, from this, there was a boy from Richardson. You tell me what is another word? You came out. Richardson, I can still see one boy. Yes, बेटे बोलो फिर से repeat करो.
Yes.
Gorgeous. Yeah. Okay. Gorgeous. Yes. So very good. Attractive, gorgeous. What other word can be there? I can see Richardson on my left. There is a boy who has raised his hand. He's sitting on the third last bench. Come on, come. You have raised your hand, Richardson, on my left. Your right. Yes. Nobody is coming. Okay. Simple words like lovely.
Ma'am, pretty.
Yes. What?
Ma'am, pretty.
Pretty. Very good. Pretty. Very nice. Pretty. Anything else? Okay. Stunning. Stunning. Okay, stunning. So see, so many words. You don't have to say beautiful all the time. You can say, oh, she's very attractive. Okay, gorgeous, lovely, pretty, stunning. Then we have more words like ravishing. Okay, when we want to say somebody is very, very good looking and beautiful, we can even say exceptionally good looking, like, all this. Charming, you can say charming, stunner. Okay, then all these things. Cute. Cute is also a word, like, when you can talk about these children or anyone who's, so many words. Write down. Okay, write down. Then we have the next word is ran. Like I just now spoke to you about ran. Okay, I have written there sprinted. SPRINTED. So sprinted is one word. Any other word you people know which you can use for ran? Anyone? Which other word can be used for running? Okay. I don't know what this is. Let me look. What is the name of this house? It's written, there is no name given here, RM. Classroom is RM. I can see there's a person who is raising his hand on the last bench, on my left, last bench. RM classroom. What is RM? Yes. What is this RM room? I don't know. We have Hardy, we have Napier, Hardy, Richardson. We have Thales. Yes, Thales, I can see. Pythagoras, I can see. Hilbert. I think so it should be Hilbert. Hilbert, because no Hilbert I can see here. Hilbert, classroom, last bench. Come outside. On my left. On my left, last bench, Hilbert. Am I audible? But I am calling out you, Hilbert, last bench, on my left. Sir, you're walking towards, would you please tell me what is the name of this classroom? Because I can only see RM. Yes, sir, I am asking you to.
Ma'am, Ramanujan.
Okay, Ramanujan. Okay. Because there is no Ramanujan given here and there is no Hilbert House. Okay, Ramanujan, I was asking you. Thank you, sir. Ramanujan, last bench on my left, there was a girl who had raised her hand for Ran. Could you please come out? Yes. Please come out. Could you repeat? Okay. Yes. So we can write flee. Okay. Flee. Dash. Rush. Okay. We can say dashed to that place. He dashed. Okay. He rushed. He fled. Now this fled is, this ran is like, running. This is like running, sprinted, dashed, rushed. These are like running. This flee is कि कोई जगह से भाग जाना. Okay, like चोर को पकड़ने से पहले ही चोर भाग गया. He fled from the scene. Okay, so this is like that. Abscond. Again this. Abscond. Abscond is again like, a culprit. Some crime was conducted and that person ran away. So they are like two different meanings. For running, we will use sprinted, flee, or we will use dashed, rushed. Okay? You can use these words for actual running. Jo process, like, the actual act of running. But this running is fled from the scene, absconded from the scene. Okay? Then we can write escaped, escaped from the scene. So that is also like run. Okay, so two different meanings you are learning here. For the first actual running process, you will write sprinted, dash, rush. And for the other one, like, from that scene, when you go away, it is going to be flee, abscond, escaped. He escaped. The criminal escaped. The criminal ran away. The criminal escaped. We can write the criminal is absconding. भाग गया. Absconding वाला पकड़ में ही नहीं आया. उसको पकड़ना है अब. और fled. Fled from the scene. Okay. There was a head-on collision. Accident था. And the driver fled from the scene. Or the driver is absconding. So these are two different words. Now go at the back. Go at the back. There is a sentence given. Everyone, go at the back. It was a beautiful day, so we ran to the park. It was a beautiful day, so we ran to the park. Now, out of these words, which word will fit in the best? You have to see, and out of these words, which word is going to fit in the best? You have to fit for beautiful and ran, and rewrite the sentence. Please do that. Please do that, okay? This is how you will learn how to use different words. And yet, the meaning of the sentence will be the same. Okay, Thales, very good. On my right, last bench, I can see a hand raised. Come out. Yes. Very good.
It was a lovely day, so we rushed to the park.
So we rushed to the park. Excellent usage of words. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. So it was out of all these, you cannot say it was a pretty day, it was a gorgeous. You can't say it was a stunning. Word used will be lovely. But see, there are other words we could have used for this. It could have been a wonderful day, which I did not give you. It was a fine day. Okay, so many words, but that could have fitted well. Okay, so here you are using lovely day, and it was a lovely day, so we rushed to the park, or so we dashed to the park. Okay, rushed is also very good. We sprinted to the park. Okay, so rushed is a very good choice. Very good, perfect. How many of you had made this word choice? How many of you? Very good, very good, very nice. Now let's go to the next two words, okay, in the next sentence. One is angry. Angry. I hope you are noting down these words, because you can choose a few words. I'm not asking you to like no learning, but you should choose these words and try to use them every day in your everyday conversations. How many of you have started speaking English in the classroom? How many of you? Very good. I can see very few children raising their hand, but I would request all of you and also advise that you should start speaking English at least in your classroom. Okay? And as much as you can, so that the fluency becomes natural. Okay? You don't have to think in Punjabi or Hindi to make a sentence in English. Until unless you will start like, those words will become so like, so much a part of your active vocabulary, it won't be possible for you to go in a flow. So it is our human mind. You know what we do? We normally start thinking in our mother tongue and then we translate. So it happens, it happens, but we are going to stop that. So that is why you will need a lot of words and you will need a flow. For fluency, you have to start speaking amongst yourself. So please, and always try not to use beautiful. You can use some other word. Running, you can use some other word. Angry, you can use some other word. So they'll become your active vocabulary. Now let's come to this word, angry. Anyone who will give me a word for angry? Angry. Okay, very good, Pythagoras. I can see a hand raised. On my right, last bench. Very nice. Even in Pascal, middle row, third bench. Hand raised. Okay, you come better. You come. I have called you. You don't have to go back. Pythagoras. What? I can't hear you, bache. Sorry, beta, I can't hear you. Something wrong with your mic? Ask the teacher to help you. What can be like, when you're angry, what words can be? I am. Like you can use a word like I am.
Please speak. Aggressive. Aggressive.
Aggressive is another word. It is not angry. Like it is a reaction. It is a reaction to anger. Okay, so it is a reaction to anger, like how you behave when you were angry. So you got aggressive. That is a reaction. This is not the word which will go with it. Okay, so here you will be like for angry, we can use the word furious. You said furious? Because your voice is cracking and I'm unable to understand what you're saying. So if you said furious, amazing. Okay, so this is furious. You're like, very angry. Annoyed. Another word is annoyed. Annoyed, like when you are, this person is very annoying. I'm annoyed. Like, that is another word. Then vexed. Vexed is also like, very much irritated and annoyed put together. I am vexed. Like, so both the words put together are like, you can imagine that how you are furious, you're annoyed, and you're like, you're vexed. So these are all irritated and annoyed. Okay. Then what else can you use? Enraged. Okay. enraged. Like this was quite enraging, or I was enraged. So like बहुत गुस्सा आया मुझे, बहुत ज़्यादा, like enraged. So all these words. Now you don't have to use angry. You can at least use furious, annoyed. ये तो आपके बड़े common words हैं. And then you can think of to become a pro in spoken English, you have to use better words. You have to keep on bettering your vocabulary and use better words. So here you can use vexed and rage. Okay, and this is going to help you out also. So we are using this angry, and then the next word is mean. MEAN. So first I want to know what is the meaning of mean. What does it mean? मतलब उसका मतलब क्या है? एक तो ये word है mean, but यहाँ पर कैसे use हुआ है? If you will see the sentence, if you see the sentence at the back, you will see I was angry at my friend because she was mean to me. So what does it mean? Mean to me. यहाँ पे yes, very good. Pythagoras again, the girl at the last bench. Okay, on my right, come out. You want to answer it? Okay, even this house, Ramanuja, again on the last bench on my right, there's a girl who wants to come out. Come out. Pythagoras, you come out, bache. The girl on the last bench, on my right, on my left, sorry, on my left. Yes. So what does mean means here? Yes? Yes?
Selfish.
Okay. What about the other girl? What word would you give us? Yeah, somebody who's been very rude to you. Okay? Mean means rude. Somebody is rude to you. Nasty. किसी ने तुमसे बहुत बुरी तरह बात की है. Rude. Very nasty. Nasty means somebody has spoken to you in a very bad way. Okay? Like used some curse words and used and not spoken to you well, demeaned you, told you some things that is being nasty. Okay? बुरी बातें बोली हैं तुम्हें. So this is being nasty. Then you have cruel. Somebody is very cruel to you. Cruel matlab somebody like physically hit you or spoke against speaking and hitting and like being very mean, emotionally abused you. So all these things are there. And the last word will be spiteful. Spiteful होते हैं. Who is a spiteful person? Who wants to take revenge. Okay? Who is jealous and who will talk nonsense things when he is jealous. Like, he will be rude, mean, crude, everything to you. That's a spiteful person. So now we have a sentence in which we have to use both these words. Now you have to make the right choice. Okay? And write down in the sentence. I can see Pascal House. Center row, both the boys come out. Both of you come out. Okay. I hope you have chosen different words. Have you chosen the same words or the different words? I was angry at my friend because she was mean to me. I was angry at my friend because she was mean to me.
I was annoyed at my friend because she was rude to me.
Very good. I was annoyed at my friend because she was rude to me. Very good. And another one, the other boy, which are the other words you have used?
I is also the same.
You also use the same words? I was furious at my friend. Okay, I was furious because she was nasty to me. Okay, I was enraged at my friend because she was cruel to me. So you can use these combinations will go very well. So I hope you will all use these words and you will learn more and more. Okay, so if you have noted down all these, see, I am not using the word copied. I am telling you noted down all these. I can erase the board, okay, and we will go for the next words. So have you all copied down? Have you all noted down all these words? Because, and as I always suggest, that you should always keep all these worksheets with you in a folder. Don't make a ball and throw after the class, because they are like ready reckoners. Whenever you will need to go through words, you can go. They become your word list, okay, and your vocab thing. So here I am going to now erase this. Okay, I'm erasing this. Okay, we can begin with the next set of words. Next set. I'm using the word set means in a set you have two. Okay, so which are the next two words? Peaceful and like and peaceful. Okay, like and the next word is peaceful. Any words for like? Any words for like? I like something. Which are the words you can use for like? Okay, Ramanuja, come out. I like ice cream. I like के साथ क्या बोल सकते हो? Which is another word.
Ma'am, same.
I
Ma'am, same.
say no बेटा. Like मतलब आपको कोई चीज पसंद है तो आप
Ma'am, favorite.
I
Ma'am, favorite.
okay okay I like or favorite. My favorite thing is okay, it will go, but not exactly, okay, but it can. Okay, I'm not saying it's absolutely wrong, but there are like one thing I love. You can write the word I love. I enjoy something you like. So you love this. I like reading. I enjoy reading. I love reading. Okay. I like ice cream. I love ice cream. I enjoy ice cream. Okay. Then there's another word like delight. Delighted. So something you enjoy, like, this is your delight. Delight also is a word. It's very delightful. Something which makes you happy and that. Okay. Now peaceful. Peaceful is, first word is, all the time your teachers tell you in the class, keep quiet. Okay. So peaceful is like quiet. ET wala quiet आएगा यहाँ पे, TE wala नहीं आएगा. Okay. So quiet. One is like everybody like, this place is very quiet. This place is like, and if something is very like, serene. This is another word which we use, serene. Serene is like shant, calm, quiet. Another word is calm. Now see, there is a word, there is a phrase which is used. He is very calm and quiet. She is very calm and quiet. Calm matlab shant and quiet matlab बहुत ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करने वाला. So these are the things, okay? So these are the words, calm, quiet, idyllic. Idyllic is like, very beautiful, quiet, shant, like, somewhere out, you go out, like, where did you go out? The lake area was very idyllic. Ekdam quiet, shant, like, where you could have a good time. Okay. So now, इन दोनों से अपने sentence बनाओ पीछे वाला. Make a sentence. Crying loudly. You make a sentence with this. Very good. I can see Pascal already hands raised. Why not in other houses? Richardson, anybody would like to come out? Very good. Middle row, somewhere at the end, there is a hand raised. Come out. Yes, Richardson. Anyone in Ramanuja? Anyone in Thales? Anyone in Napier? Napier today I haven't got anyone coming out and speaking. Please come out. This is your chance to come out and speak. Okay? Come out, come out. Yes, Richardson, middle row, last bench. Come out. Both. If you have used different words, both of you can come out. Yes. Yes. My family enjoys. You wrote enjoy or you wrote love? Yes, very good. So it is like my family love having picnic outside because it is quiet. Okay, or my family enjoy having picnic outside because it is serene. You can use any word, any way. Okay, my family delights in, okay, having picnic outside because it is so serene. It is so calm. Okay, so delight in. My family delight in. Okay, they love, like, so you can use these words. Very good. I want now in the next 3-4 sentences, I want more people to come out. This is going to be like one word. She was crying loudly. What other word can we use for crying? Pascal, yes. Middle row, somebody has raised a hand. What is the another word for crying? Yes? Could you please again repeat, beta?
I'm screaming.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. Screaming. Yes. Screaming. That's जोर से रोना. Like, she was screaming. For both the words, we will use this just one word. Okay, that's why I've written them together. So screaming, crying loudly, because there can be a lot of ways in which we cry. Like, sobbing. Sobbing hota hai jisko Punjabi mein duskna bolte hain. Like, somebody who's like softly like going on and on and on and on. And loud crying ke liye bahut sare words hai. There are lots and lots of words. Any other word? Anyone? Howling. Howling. जिसको हम पंजाबी में या हिंदी बोलते ना गला फाड़ के रोना, that is howling. Okay, then we have bawling. BAW, we have bawling. Shrieking, shrieking, चीखे मार मार के रोना, shrieking. Shrieking. Okay. And wailing. So there are so many words. I want you to replace this crying loudly with any of these. Okay? Any of these words. Any of these words. And you will see that all these words fit perfectly well. Okay? They will fit perfectly. The child was screaming. The child was howling. The child was bawling. The child was shrieking. The child was wailing. All the sentence or all the words fit perfectly well in that thing. Okay, now the next two words. Which are the next two words here? Have you noted down these so that I can erase them? Okay, I'm going to erase them because if you have noted down these, I like to erase. Let's come to the next one. Okay, which are the next two words? Hungry and yummy. Hungry. Hungry. Yummy. Okay. Who will tell me some other word for hungry? Yes. Ramanuja, center row, second last when the girl has raised her hand for hungry. Come on, quick. Come outside.
I'm starving.
Perfect. Perfect. I am starving. बहुत भूख लगी है. Next word. Anything else? Any other word you know for hungry? बहुत भूख लगी है. अगर बहुत 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 ज्यादा भूख लगी है, you will say I am famished. Famished. ये बहुत भूख लगी है. I'm ravenous. Ravenous means बहुत भूख लगी है. I am ravenous. I can eat a horse right now. मतलब मुझे इतनी भूख लगी है. Okay. So this is like famished, starving, famished, ravenous. Okay. I'm just giving you 3 words. Peckish is also a word, but you can use these 3 words. Okay. Next is yummy. Yummy के लिए कौन सा words है? Very good. Ramanuja, center row, so many children. Even, oh, tails also very good. Center row, 2 children can come from Ramanuja. Yes. And from tails, I want from my right 2 children to come. Yes. I'm sure you will bring different words. So yummy.
I'm delicious.
Yes.
Very tasty.
Yeah. Tasty, delicious. Don't say delicious. I told you, uski pronunciation delicious hogi, okay? Not delicious. Okay, very good. Very good word. Delicious.
I'm tasty.
Very good. Tasty. Perfect. Any other word?
Not delicious.
Okay, delicious, tasty, and जब मुंह में पानी आता है उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Mouth watering. Oh, it's mouth watering. The pizza was mouth watering. Okay, so you have mouth watering. What else? Delectable. There is another new word. Delectable. Okay, we have many other words. Scrumptious, but I just want you to learn this many now. Then we can go on adding. We can continue to add. Okay. So use the sentence, and the rest 3 sentences you can do on your own. This one we will quickly finish because I think so it's time for you to leave too. We have like just 3-4 minutes left. So I complete that sentence. Complete that sentence and let me know what you have written. We were hungry, so the teacher let us have a yummy snack. Hungry and snack. Which word will you write here in your sentence? Which word? But we haven't finished the class yet, so the movement has to stop. And I'm sure you will get time to pack your bags. We would have finished the class in another minute, another 1 or 2 minutes, then you can pack your bags. Right now, you have to pay attention to what is happening in the class. That is being rude. That is rudeness. When a class is still being conducted and you just started packing your bags and moving around. That is rudeness. Okay, who will answer this question? Who will answer this? Okay, I can see in Ramanuja there is a girl sitting on the second or third bench. She has raised her hand on the right. Okay. The sentence.
We were starving, so the teacher let us have a delicious snack.
Could you read again better? Bachit, could you read again? We were hungry. Instead of hungry, which word have you used? Okay. Beta bolo aap, bolo. Tails, I can see a hand raised, you come out. Middle row, hand raised, come out. Tails. Bacha, you also complete your sentence.
We were starving, so the teacher let us have a delicious snack.
Very good. So you were starving, starved. Okay. So your teacher allowed you to have a delicious thing. Okay. From tails, the girl.
And we were starving, so the teacher let us have the tasty snack.
Very good. Very easy word, starving and tasty. And we can, replace them with, we were famished. So our teacher allowed us to have a mouth-watering snack. We were ravenous. So our teacher allowed us to have a delectable snack. So you can, and anything can be interchanged. Okay? Anything can be interchanged. Now you are left with 6th, 7th, 8th, and I expect you to think of synonyms for the words which have been underlined or which have been given here on the first page, and then change them. It's going to be a very good game for all of you and a very effective way of learning words in or increasing your vocab in English. So thank you very much for a good class. I really enjoyed it. I hope you also enjoyed, and have a good day. Okay? So have a good day. Save these sheets. Nobody throws it away. Put them in a folder. You will need it. Okay? Whenever you want to know about more words, you will need it. So keep them handy. Thank you. Have a good day again.